20 Powerful Affirmations for Health and Wellness. Repeat these affirmations each day to help you have more health and wellness in your life. I am living in a body that is healthy. I enjoy exercising and physical activity. I enjoy eating healthy and nutritious foods. I choose to make the health and wellness of my body and mind a priority. I take time each day to appreciate my health. I am full of vitality. I have positive energy flowing through my body. I love the body I am in. I am living a healthy lifestyle. I get enough rest each day to provide me with energy throughout my day. I wake up with enough energy to use each day. I am excited about my health. I have peace of mind every day. I have health and happiness each day. I am worthy of a healthy life. I accept that my body is healing itself each day. I accept the image of my body as healthy. I enjoy healthy living. I work with my body as it heals from all pain and suffering. I am so grateful to be alive. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like and share this video. Also, remember to leave a comment below letting us know which affirmation you like best. As always, continue perfecting the art of living well daily. For additional cool tips and freebies, check the description below.